Hello and welcome back. In one of the previous videos, we saw how to export car model from Blender and use it in Unity later. Now I will go one step back and show one of the easiest way to paint our model. And more important, to paint it that way so that colors can be changed later in project. I have this low poly model of a car, one object, one mesh for the body and four meshes for wheels. Let's start from Shading tab. Go to Material window, click on New Material. So this material is automatically applied to our model, and if we change base color of material, we will see that our object get that color completely. Now I will drag to this window color palette that I already prepared. This is how my color palette looks. I have a bunch of different colors here. Some of them I will use for car body, some of them for windows, for tires, for lights. And link this node to base color of our material. So what we see now, our car got all the colors from our color palette. In this window here, I will open the same color palette so that we can see how our vehicle is unwrapped around the colors. Let's go to the UV editing tab. And you will see all the faces of our model squeezed into this color palette. So whatever is selected on right side, it will be selected on left and vice versa. So it is pretty convenient to work like this. What am I going to do first? Select all. We can do this just by pressing A. Go to the left window, press S and 0 to scale everything to 1 dot. So now all the faces of our model are looking for the color from the same spot on the color palette. By moving that dot on color palette, our model is changing color completely. Let's use red color for base color of our car. Let's paint tires. Select wheels by pressing L, 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 L. Position cursor above the color palette and move the dot to the desired square. You can see now that for each part of our vehicle we will have different dot on this color. Now I will select all windows. It is important, if we want that two different parts of the car have the same color, we use different square on the color palette, so that later we can change those colors separately if we want. I selected all the windows, press G and again move the dot to the desired color. Let's paint few more parts. For the license plates, I will use the same color, but from the different square, as we said before. Same I will do for backlights. Different square with red color. Now we can see on this color palette that there is no square with more than one dot, which is important for changing colors later. Let's say that this is enough color for now and see how this works. Go to object mode and export our vehicle as we learned before. These options on the right side are very important. Do it exactly like I am doing it. And our car should be ready. Let's open Unity. Find where your model is exported and drag that model to the project window. Then from project window, drag it to the scene. As we can see, our model has the base color that we set up first time. To get all the colors, we need to import color palette to our project. Same way, find the color palette and drag it to the project window. And our colors are here. Now, interesting part. What if I want to change some colors? It is very easy now. The only thing that we need to do is to edit our color palette. Open our color palette with some editing software. Paint is absolutely enough. Let's say I want to change body color. I know that body color is on 6th square on this palette, so I will just change the color of this square. Yellow color is funny enough. And some green colors for the tires. It is important to save color palette under the same name. Delete color palette from the project and drag the one that we just edited. All the new colors are here. This would be all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.